The difference between weather and climate. My screen is not visible. Student?
There is a difference between weather and climate. So when we are talking about weather is, yes, absolutely correct, Akansha. Weather is for a short duration, whereas climate is for a long duration. Exactly correct. Okay, climate is the atmospheric. Okay, Manjima, good. Climate is the atmospheric condition which change after a long period. Okay, Bhumi Tiwari is saying the average of a condition related to weather recorded over a long period in a particular region is climate. Okay, so as you all know, what is climate? So now we talk about the climate of India and Brazil. So climate, before going to the climate, first of all, we learned how the Brazil climate is. Okay, what temperature or where the highest rainfall we can see, and what temperature we can see in the of rainfall, and where is the highest temperature is located, and where there is the lowest temperature is located. So one by one, we will go to each part. So in textbook, if you are sitting with the textbook, just type Y. So I will ask you several questions. So the first question is, okay, who will read the question, student? Who will read the question? Just raise your hand. Okay, fine. Okay, let me. Okay, Bhumi Tiwari, I unmuted you.
Yes, ma'am. Shall I start reading?
Yes, first question only. Huh?
Yes, considering the isotherms of Brazil, what is the average range of temperature in Brazil?
Okay, you can mute yourself. Okay, so student, what they ask about the average temperature of a Brazil. Whenever they ask about the average temperature of a Brazil, so in the map 4.1, okay, you can see the maximum. What is the maximum temperature? What is the maximum temperature of the Brazil? Just write in the chat box. Maximum temperature isotherm, yes, 28 degrees Celsius, yes. 300 not. I'm talking about temperature, which is written in degrees Celsius. Temperature, as I told you, it is always written in degrees Celsius. Yes, Vaidehi. Good. Varsha. Samarth, yes, good. Simran. Now in this map, first of all, what is isotherm? I will show you. Just in the 9th standard, you learned in first lesson the isotherm. Just look at this. The red line is there. The red line is there. This one. This one. Okay. You can see the lines. I will show you. Just look at this line, how it is interconnected to each other. Yes. So isotherm means which shows temperature. Yes, exactly. The same line. Okay. Here, the maximum temperature is 28. But now, what is minimum temperature? What is minimum temperature? Yes, 18 degrees Celsius. Exactly correct. So now we can see that the minimum temperature, that is 18 degrees Celsius, and maximum is 28 degrees Celsius. Now, next question. Who will read the next question? Okay, Simran. Okay, Simran, I unmuted you. Your voice is not audible. Okay, just wait. Okay, Anupama, I unmuted you. Read the second question.
In which area does it rain more?
Your voice is lower, beta. Just increase your volume.
In which
Okay. So it is more. What is the more value over there? More annual average rainfall? Yes, exactly. The more annual average rainfall is 3,000. More than 3,000. Okay. More than 3,000. So in your textbook, it is also given more than 3,000. It is the annual rainfall and the color is dark blue. We can see that the chloroplet method and isopleth method is used in this map. Chloroplet method, why? Because the color, the tint of color are using. And isopleth method because the isolines is there. So the darkest area, the dark blue area, that is northeast. So in the Amazon River basin, the more rainfall having in the Amazon River basin. Okay, in this area, the dark blue portion. Afterward, the next question. Okay, who will read? Okay, just okay. Akansha Chaturvedi, I unmuted you. Yes, read the question.
From
Third
which
one.
direction the wind are blowing towards Brazil?
Okay, so you can mute yourself. Okay, as I always told you, there are the two trade winds, northeast and southeast. There are the two trade winds, northeast and southeast. So the Brazil winds are moving from northeast to southeast. Okay, so answer is Brazil winds are moving from northeast to southeast. Next is what could be the reason behind that? Why the winds are blowing from northeast and southeast? Or we can say why the winds are moving from northeast to southeast. Yes, these are the permanent trade wind. Yes, the answer is correct. But why it is blowing from northeast to southeast? Why it is not blowing from southeast to northeast? Because the answer is, just wait, I will show you. Okay, so the northeast area, it is nearby the equator, and nearby the equator here, nearby the equator, just wait, I will show. This area, okay, this area is nearby the equator, and nearby the equator, there is a low pressure belt. There is a low pressure belt. And because of low pressure belt, the trade wind is moving from northeast to southeast. Trade is moving from northeast to southeast. Because it is northeast area is nearby the equator and there is low pressure belt. Okay, now next is in which region, I will ask you, okay, in which region the temperature is low? In which region the temperature is low? Okay, first of all, tell me student, Where the temperature is low, in which direction the temperature is low? In which direction the temperature is low? Okay, good. Okay, student, is I am audible? Okay. Just wait. Rajeshri teacher?
Yes.
Okay, make me host now.
1 second.
Today there is some network issues going on. Okay, yes. In southern direction, the temperature is low. Yes, exactly correct. But now we are talking about the region. So in which region the temperature is low, student? It is up to the northern east Brazilian highland. Okay. Yes, it is in the southern part of Brazil. But in southern part, in the northern east, in the southern part of Brazilian highland, we can see the part of northeast of Brazilian highland, the temperature is low. We can see here also. Just wait. I will show you. Just look at this area. This area. So the Brazilian highland northeast part, the temperature is low. So student, up till now, I think all things are clear. We have seen that which maximum temperature, what is the minimum temperature, then the which map method has been used. So take a screenshot of this. It will helpful for you.
More than 4,000 millimeter of rainfall. Just write in a chat box. Okay, I got an answer. Some are saying coastal region. Some are saying some parts of southeast and east. Okay. Some are saying Western Ghat. Some are saying western coast of India. Okay. East. Okay, fine. Some are saying northwest. Some all are saying different answers. In the southwest coastal India and north coast of India. In southwest coast of India and the north coast of India, you have found what? 4,000 millimeter of rainfall. You can take an example of Kerala. Okay. In the Kerala, nearby the area of Kerala, the rainfall has more. The average and annual rainfall is more. Yes, north coast of India also. Okay, next question is identify the region with maximum and minimum temperature. So first we'll go with the maximum temperature, okay? Where the maximum temperature is there? Just write in a chat box. I want plain in Rajasthan, Thar Desert, then Sundarban is there. And now we're talking about the minimum temperature. So minimum temperature, yes, exactly. The hilly regions of north, or we can say the Himalayan region. The Himalayan region having low temperature, that is 20 degrees Celsius. This region. So now next and last question for you students. Okay. So in which direction is the temperature increasing? Okay. So equator area, okay, which is nearby the south side. Okay, equatorial area, which is nearby the south side. There the temperature is increasing. So you can take a screenshot also. It will helpful for you